Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AutoCAD on Windows 10, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall AutoCAD on Windows 10, begin by clicking on the Start menu. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel window, locate and click on Programs. Next, click on Programs and Features. You will see a list of installed programs on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find AutoCAD. Once you locate AutoCAD, right-click on it. From the context menu, select Uninstall. A new window will appear, prompting you for confirmation. Click Yes to confirm that you want to uninstall AutoCAD. The uninstallation process will begin. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the AutoCAD uninstaller. This may include selecting additional components to remove. After the process is complete, a message will confirm that AutoCAD has been uninstalled. To ensure all files are removed, you may want to delete any leftover folders. Navigate to the C drive on your computer. Open the Program Files or Program Files x86 folder. Look for a folder named Autodesk and delete it if it exists. Next, go to the Documents folder. Check for any AutoCAD specific files or folders and remove them. Finally, it is recommended to restart your computer. This ensures all changes take effect and helps maintain system performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.